So first we turn on the machine, and to access our temperature setting we press set once, and we can change the temperature and increase using the 2 arrows. And then we press set again to access our time setting, and use the 2 arrows to decrease and increase the time. And then we press the set button again to access Celsius and Fahrenheit. We'll use Celsius, so this doesn't need to be changed. We press set again to go back to the main menu. And then we can adjust the pressure using this handle here. So clockwise is to increase the pressure, anti-clockwise is to decrease the pressure. And then when you're ready to press this button here on the right. That'll activate the timer. We apply pressure. And then release the pressure when the press is finished. And press this button here to deactivate the alarm. Thanks for watching.